So just let me go. So yeah, in this position, purpose is that you will not be able to checkmate with only one bishop, and you have one extra pawn. So your target is to get a queen.
Get a queen. Okay. Mhm.
Because only one bishop, one knight, you won't be able to checkmate. If you have one rook, then it is possible. But with one bishop or knight, it's not possible.
King f6.
King f6.
h6. King e7. Okay, it shouldn't become a draw. Okay, I can move it. H6. Move this side. King 0, 1. And if I go there, goes there. Okay. How it can come there? If I move it here, what's happening is, okay. Bishop on g5. What is happening? To see my bishop first. Okay, f4. Bishop on f4. King, I move it there. My king here. It can't come this side. What I will do? King on f7. And f1. Can't come. That goes there. Okay. Move my king there. King to f7. The white is coming here. Okay. Now what I will do? If I give a check, what it can come here. I give a check from here. It will come here. Okay. Move here. 1, 2, 3. Now my king here. So, king to g6. Because if that goes to white, I will know. Okay. Now h7. Now if I give check with my bishop e5, what is happening? e5. And second. It can come one. It can't take this. And it can one, two. Okay. Bishop on e5.
So this will be a checkmate, right?
Yes. Now
Because
it's a
this
checkmate. Now what it will do is, yes. Now it has only one position to move here. So
where
the king, black king can move there, no? No,
where
it can't go. Pawn in, even with the pawn only it's gone. Okay. I'm thinking then I will take the queen.
no, no. So right now you don't need a queen. You are able to checkmate with your pawn and with your bishop,
Yes.
and of course your king to help the pawn.
Yes.
Okay, so suppose after this if king goes there,
Then I go there and take a queen, h8.
yes, then you go there and take a queen. So,
Yes.
so this is how having a same color bishop help you to get a queen and win a game.
Helps. Yes.
Okay, there is one more thing. Yeah, right now, when you played bishop g5 and black goes king g6, now your bishop is under attack, right?
Yes.
In these kind of position, there is a like beautiful tactic. What you can do is you can invite the opponent king to capture this bishop.
What's that?
So in these kind of position, you can invite the black king to capture your bishop.
Okay.
Because what is
So
the
that,
yes. So when this black king capture bishop, this black king will be on fifth rank.
yes.
And whenever it comes down, then you can push your.
Yes.
For example,
Okay.
right now you can simply play king f8,
Okay.
and you are asking the black, do you want to capture my bishop? And if this black king capture your bishop, then you push to your.
Aram se go. Okay.
And then if this black king try to run behind, it will be always behind.
Always there. Okay.
This is also a simple.
Yeah, I have to think on these lines also.
Yes, of course. Okay, so good.
1 second. Yes. Yes.
Yes, so in this it is white to play and win.
Mhm.
So like in this position, you have a wrong color bishop, right?
Yes.
But still because of the position, you will be able to win also. But you have to find the exact moves. So now it is white to move and you have to calculate everything.
Exactly. B, if it comes here, goes there. Comes there.
This is
Okay.
not a draw.
Bishop on G6.
Bishop on g6, okay.
Take it down, check there. What will do? H7. H7. Now I go there. Yes, H7.
Now it's a draw because now black king is able to reach on dark square. Now he will keep moving on these two.
Again, oh, we arrived at that same place.
Yes.
Really.
So what is your objective?
Now I will not.
Yes,
Tell
you
me, sir.
should. Yeah, so in this position, your objective is you should not let this king reach there.
Okay.
Because if this king is able to reach on this dark square, then you will be not able to give check and he can keep repeating moves.
Make use of the king also. Then. It will come to. Okay. So king comes to f2. Okay, after this, solution if it comes here, I can't take this out. King can come to 7, h7 and capture my pawn. What to do? h7.
Now again, black king is able to reach on dark square h8.
No, now I'll move my king. Because if it comes, I can't move my bishop now, no? So I'm planning to move my king.
Okay, tell me your move.
Till there. Till, see, till here also if it goes, there one will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, chalo. G3. Now it comes here to G4. G5. H5. King H5. Now also it will be a checkmate on this one. It won't be check. It comes here. And it can't come here. It can't go there. What are we doing the same problem? Comes here, no? I'll shift my king this side. G5. So it can't do that. So once I go there, he'll take my pawn. I can move my bishop first. I can move it, no? I can bring my bishop to G6, right?
Yeah, you can bring wherever you want.
Okay. So bishop on B, B1 goes to bishop on G6. Okay. Now what I do? Same problem. क्या करें? वो मैं king this side. F5. E6. There again, if I come there, now take the pawn. I didn't capture the bishop. Okay, क्या करते हैं? King E7.
Okay, if you go king e7, where the black king will go?
I should give it a move. Oh. Maybe two places, but also blocked. Okay, stalemate. Okay, I go to D7, king D7. King B8. If it comes here, again the same problem. Wait, reason. So unless and until the king doesn't capture, it's very difficult.
Yeah, it's a draw because like in the first position today we learned if the opponent have the wrong color bishop, then if your opponent is able to reach on dark square, then it's a draw.
Yes.
Because this king will be keep moving there and you will be never able to push.
Yes.
So that is why in this position in the beginning you should try to do something so that this king does not reach on this square or this square.
I'll bring my king to G then, right? And keep moving.
So like suppose you go to F2.
Okay.
Yeah, then also this king is going on G8 and now you can't stop king H8.
Yes.
So you have to stop this king to reach on H8.
So this bishop, I'll bring it to where it is coming to this side, H7.
Okay.
Now my king can come up into F2. G3, king G3. King G4. King G5. Go there. What is happening? King F5. Bishop, I will move down and go there. Bishop on G6. This is not the pawn. I can't come here. 1, 2, 3. Wait, should I go with this? King F6. Bishop goes there. What is happening is it will come here. What is happening? Check. You check. Go there. This side. Go to check. Goes to that corner. Okay. So bishop, if I give check, what is happening? Here, yeah. Okay, I will come here. Capture like this, then I go there. Okay. Bishop on F7. King comes here. I can't come to these two places. Again, stalemate. One, one, two, three. King is here. Comes here. Check. F7. So it can't come here. If it goes there, then it comes here. E8. Bishop E8. Giving the king space. If I come here, bishop is gone. If I come here, gone. If I come here, gone. Two, three. sacrifice my bishop for the queen, correct? King G6. H7.
And now where the black king will go?
Now again, again the same problem. I shouldn't be moving my pawn at all. Move my king down. F5. King on G6, G5. In that corner. Okay. Okay.
When you have a lone king and you are trying to get a draw, then you can always try to go to corner and hope for the stalemate.
If I wanted, right? Now what can go there? Move my bishops, I could stop them. So bring my bishop here to 6. C6. Bishop to C6. So anyway, I give a check from here. So I give a check from here. And again it moves there. E4, 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 check. Yes. Now what can this do? Okay. Here. Now I think my bishop to 6. Yeah, again the same position I'm arriving. Okay. I'm losing my bishop. What is happening? I lose my bishop also. It's a draw, no?
You can check, you can lose your bishop and then see.
Okay. Okay. Bishop come. Then it can't take my pawn because it's there. Okay, chalo, let's play and see. Very difficult actually. I pick here. Okay. Should I play them? Play this side. Okay, chalo. E4, H7, bishop H7. King on H6, H5. If I move there, king can move there. Okay, what is it can do there? King on G6. Now H7. Okay, now again problem. No.
This position also we have done, right? When you have a pawn on h file and then your opponent king can keep moving on these two squares.
Yes.
And it will be a draw.
Yes.
So this is also a draw because this king is able to reach on h8 in the beginning only.
Okay.
So your idea was correct that you go to bishop h7 to prevent this king to reach, but by going to bishop h7, what you are doing is you are blocking your own bishop or on pawn.
Yes.
So your idea was correct that this you are blocking this king to reach to g8, but you should try to do this by not from bishop h7, by somewhere else.
You can go the other way, like I can pick from here. What is that? A2.
Yes, you can go to the bishop a2 and you are achieving the same objective.
Yes.
And now this black king is not able to come on f7, neither on g8 because of this.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
even this black king will be not able to reach on g7 because of this pawn.
Yes.
So now black has to move either to e8 or e7.
Okay.
And whenever black king goes there, now you see it is out of that square. Now you can simply push
Good.
the pawn.
Yes. Let me draw that square. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So this was the game I should have played. Right.
So,
Okay.
so right now this diagonal is still controlled. Black can only try come to the f6, but now you are getting your queen.
Minimum reached. Yes.
Yeah. So this was the solution that your target is to stop this king to reach on this square, and you can either do from h7, but by going on bishop h7, you are blocking your own pawn.
Yes.
You achieve the same objective by going to bishop a2.
Okay.
And now this black king has to move away and then you can keep push.
Yes. This black square also it can't come because of the pawn. Yes.
Yes.
Right.
This is all you have to calculate.
Let's see this.
Yeah, so it looks like a similar position, but it is bit different. So in this also, white to play and white can win. So you have to make use of the learning that we have learned in the previous two positions, and then try to first observe like where are your pieces, where your opponent king, and then find your objective, what you want to achieve, and then do the moves.
Okay. Move my bishop first thing to h5. Bishop on h5. Because next move he shouldn't capture my pawn. That was the objective here. take like this. क्या करूँगी? One of this is gone now. Knight go there. Pawn goes there, and then this knight is it's 7. That is black, that is white. Now I go and take a queen. तो क्या हुआ? ये white is कौन है? Just a second. Now I go to h8 and take a queen.
Yeah, now you get to h8 and take a queen and it's winning. So you found the
Yes.
right move in the beginning. So you start
Yes.
with bishop h,
Yes.
because right now you are cutting this king on this diagonal and this king can't go to g7 also because of this pawn.
It can't go there. Supposing it had gone to that white square also, it can't go. Yes, yes. Okay.
So
Yeah.
now this king has to move either on these squares or there. Wherever it moves, you have only two move and you will be able to push and get a queen.
Yes.
Okay, good. So in this position, it is white to move, and since it is black now who is having one extra pawn and one bishop, so now your target is to get a draw.
Acha.
So, so you can use the same learning that we
It's
are doing.
white. No, so I should keep moving to a black square. A black square is on this end, but I can't move this side. I have to go this side. So it goes up. Go up. Have to go up. Okay. Plus, I shouldn't allow you to take a queen, right?
Yes.
C3.
C3 you are saying?
Yes.
King C3.
King C3.
Okay.
King D4. C5. King C5. Acha, it comes this side. I'm going that side. Oh my god. Black is 8 to 1, no? Ulta. I did all ulta. Oh.
Okay, try again.
Oh my god. I shouldn't allow it to come this side. Okay. Again. It comes C. Okay. Come to C1. King C1. Everything. 1, 2, 3. I can't go there. Go here. Okay. So D1. King D1. D2. King D2. King D3. It's blocked by your king, so I can never go that side, right?
Yes.
Can't go there. It's blocked. If I can't get, I can't go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not working. D4. Because it's blocked by your king, no, I can never come to 1, right?
Yes.
So first thing is you're blocking with your king.
So now whatever you do, this pawn is going to A1 and getting.
Anyway, it's become a queen, yes.
So now you know what is the problem. Now try again.
C2, king C2. King B1.
Okay, so now there are a few things that black can do. We will try one by one. So suppose if black goes this, bishop c2.
Into A1.
Okay.
I'll be dancing in B1, A1 only. What I should be doing? A1, B1. Right?
Yes, tell me your move and then we'll see.
B1, B1, king B1. King A1. Now what I can do? I can't go up. I can't. I can go only to B1. B1. A1. Okay. What is there? Bishop is there. So this D square. Okay. To keep an eye on the bishop. B1. I can go to 2 also. No? Okay, B1. Check. Now it's a check. Now I come to A1. I can't go up. I have to go to B1 only. B1. B1. Now if I capture the pawn. What is
Yes.
happening?
So white is able to get a draw, and so as you rightly spoke,
This also, if I can capture that pawn, no?
yeah, you can capture, or if you capture, it is a draw right away. If you don't want to capture, you can just keep repeat on A1, B1, or
A1 and B1. Okay,
yeah.
right.
So as you rightly spotted, target was that you should make your king reach on A1 somehow,
Okay.
because your opponent have wrong color bishop. This is white square, and
Yes.
pawn should reach on dark square.
Okay.
And there is only one move reaches, which is C2.
Mm.
Because if you start with, for example, any other move, if you go to C1, then this black king go there. And now these two are protected by the king and this bishop, and you have to move away.
Yes.
And whenever you move away, this king will reach on.
This will again come here. Yes.
And now you will never able to go, and this bishop will go, and then this pawn will come.
Yes.
So the idea of going C2 is so that this king also can't go to B3.
Mm. Yes.
And after C3, this black can try various things, like if king goes there, then you are simply go to B2 and you are able to reach on A1.
Yes.
And if this bishop give you check, then also you are going to B1, and in next move you are able to reach on A1.
Yes.
And if this bishop try to sacrifice himself by going on B2, then you capture, and then also you are reaching on B1.
This one. Yes.
Okay, so this was the concept of wrong color bishop that we did today.
Okay.
Now I will share a position of the similar concept which.
I was thinking you can just shoot some short videos. Like I keep missing my queen, no?
Yeah, I'm in the process of like making a small video on various concepts that we have done, and even on new concepts.
Yes. Yeah.
So that I'll be doing.
Okay.
And so this is the position. In this position, it is you are playing as white, and your target is to get a draw,
Okay.
because your opponent have bishop and also one pawn, and it will be difficult for you to win. So your target is to get a draw, and black target is to get a win.
Okay.
But in this position, white can get a draw if play the correct moves.
So what I should be playing as white, and all the moves I should write and send them.
Yeah, you can. You have to play as white, and you write all the moves from white and also from black.
Okay.
And like for example, if you're thinking of king f3, and then this black king has various options. So which option you are considering while you are calculating, that you have to write. So if you are calculating king g5, then you write all these moves.
Okay. Okay.
I will be sending the image of this position, and then you can practice this at home.